Hey guys, thanks for clicking. Today we're going to be speaking with Foster about some chain maintenance techniques you can do right at home.
We first take a look at how much play we see in the chain. That's typically done with a tool. So they come in a variety of different types and whatnot. So we have the Park tool. Once we've checked the wear on the chain and all looks good, to make sure everything's running smoothly, start the cleaning. A basic clean is a rag, a old toothbrush, and some simple cleaning solution. What we're going to do is take a lube of your choice. Most people will just slather lube on all their chain and leave it as is, and that actually accumulates more debris and gunk over time. To make sure you don't have too much lube on, take a starting point on your chain and just do 1 drop per link. So, as always, thanks for watching. We release a video every Monday and Friday. Subscribe.